Good morning, class. Today we will discuss the chapter A Shirt in the Market. In this chapter, we'll see the process from the agriculture production of cotton and to the market. There are different stages how the cloth come to market and ready for sale. So, when we are talking about shirt, the meaning is that of ready-made garments. So, this chapter tells us the story of the shirt. It begins with the production of cotton and ends with the sale of the shirt, and we shall see the chain of the market's links to producers of the cotton to the buyer of the shirt in the supermarket. Supermarket means like big mall complexes like all, and why the selling take place at every step in the chain. So does everyone benefit equally from the shirt? Obviously this is not, because if is it equally, so we cannot see the difference in the society, or do the people benefit more than others? So it depends on the stages how the garment or shirt reaching to the market. So we shall find out the answer of these all questions. So here we start from the first journey of the shirt. So a cotton farmer in Kurnool. Kurnool is one of the village in Andhra Pradesh, and it is the similar story of every farmer who lives in region where a cotton is grown in Peninsula Plateau or in South. So Swapna, a farmer in the Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, she grows cotton on her small patch of land, and the balls of cotton plants are ripe, and some have already burst. So Swapna is busy picking the cotton. Burst का मतलब है how the cotton ball pop up, means when they become the flower. So they should not stay for a long time on the stem. The branches, they should be taken up very fast. So she is very busy now in picking up the cotton and the balls which carry the cotton in them. uh, in Hindi, if I say you about that, into cotton we call kapas, और उसके अंदर से जो sheets निकलती हैं, they are very important. Sometimes they are used as the fodder for animal. So she is picking up the cotton, and simultaneously the seeds from the cotton, and do not burst open them, open all at once. It takes several days. ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक ही दिन में सब खिल जाएं या सारे रेडी हों पिकअप करने के लिए. तो दे टेक द टाइम एज दे पॉप अप और they burst, they are taken away by the farmer. So this is one of the stages of the cotton growing. Once the cotton is collected, instead of selling it at Kurnool cotton market, Swapna and her husband take the harvest to the local leader. अब जैसे उनकी फसल तैयार होती है तो वो मार्केट में नहीं लेकर जाते. कहाँ ले जाते हैं? लोकल ट्रेडर्स. At the beginning of the crop season, Swapna had forwarded 2,500 rupees from the trader at a very high interest rate to buy the seed. Now the question arises, why? Why on the high interest rate of money? Means the reason behind is that the people who are living in village, and they approach for their petty needs to the money lender. That's why money lender has given money to them for growing the cotton. And after that, what happens when cotton is prepared, if they want to sell, firstly they have to settle the loan, whatever the money they have taken from the landlord. Now this is the reason behind that they are forced to sell their crop to only that one. So the pesticide, and another why they have taken this money. So this money have been taken for the agriculture properly, like they had to buy the seeds, fertilizer, pesticides. At the time, the local leaders made Swapna agree to another condition. Now the local leader made Swapna agree the another condition. She made her promise to sell the her cotton to him. तो एज आई टोल्ड यू कि जो उसने उससे पैसा उठाया या तो उसको पहले सेटल करे, अदरवाइज उसको अपनी सारी क्रॉप वहीं पर बेचनी होगी। और उसमें भी क्या है, दैट प्रोडक्शन वाज नॉट ऑन द मार्केट रेट बट ऑन देयर ओन विश, मतलब उसके बहुत कम पैसे उनको मिल रहे हैं। तो कल्टीवेशन ऑफ कॉटन रिक्वायर्स हाई लेवल ऑफ इनपुट such as fertilizer, pesticide, and the farmers have to incur heavy expenses. अब यहाँ पर एक और थोड़ा ट्विस्ट आता है कि ज़्यादातर क्या होता है कि इसको इनपुट्स की अच्छी ज़रूरत पड़ती है, मतलब बिगिनिंग फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग टू द एंड, लाइक इनिशियली इट नीड्स टेक केयर ऑफ, ठीक है, इसको बहुत देखभाल की ज़रूरत होनी होती है। सो द ट्रेडर्स like the farmer fertilizers and farmers have to incur heavy expenses, मतलब ना चाहते हुए भी उनको करना पड़ता है, पैसा नहीं है, ठीक है। वी नो दैट द कंडीशन ऑफ फार्मर दे पुअर इन आवर कंट्री, और दैट्स वाई they don't want to invest much money, but in hope that this year the production will be good and you can say best, so they spend money, heavy high expenses on account of these they do. And most of them small farmers need to borrow money to meet these expenses. सो जो स्मॉल फार्मर होते हैं जिनके पास सेविंग कम होती है, वो क्या करते हैं, वो कहीं इसीलिए वो मनी बोरो करते हैं फ्रॉम द मनी लेंडर, एंड दे एट द ट्रेडर्स यार्ड two of the men weigh the bags of cotton at price of 1500 per quintal, and the cotton fetches 6000. The leader deducted 3000 for repayment or loan interest and pays Swapna 3000 only. मतलब उसको केवल 3000 मिलते हैं, बाकी का वो लोन में सेटल हो जाता है, और जबकि मार्केट प्राइस से उसकी प्राइस भी कम है। तो स्वप्ना 3000 only when he was giving the money traders only 3000. तो ट्रेडर, what he is saying, trader is selling cheap, there is a lot of cotton in the market. So Swapna, I have toiled so hard for 4 months and grow this cotton. You can see how the fine and clean cotton of this time. I hope to get the much better price. तो उसको चिंता है कि इस बार तो मैंने बहुत अच्छा किया है, ऑल क्रॉप और फ्रिक्शन इज़ गुड, सो उसको लगता है कि शी विल गेट दिस टाइम गुड मनी। Trader, Aman, I am giving you a good price. The traders are not even paying this much. You can check at the Karnool market if you don't believe me. So एक तरीके से एक्सप्लॉयटेशन है, टेम्पटेशन है कि आप अपना यहीं पर सब प्रोडक्शन बेच दो, इतना दूर लेके जाओगे तो आपको क्या मिलने वाला है, एक्सपेंसेस आएंगे, सो मेनी थिंग्स जनरली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड। तो स्वप्ना व्हाट शी सेज, डोंट बी एंग्री. How can I doubt you? I had only hoped that we would earn enough from the cotton crop at last us of a few months. तो वो उसको मतलब एडजस्ट करती है स्वप्ना, और वही कहती है कि ठीक है, हमें कोई डाउट नहीं है, वट एवर जो हमने सोचा था वो क्या है, एनफ फ्रॉम द कॉटन क्रॉप दिस लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स, और वो आगे के टाइम में उसको निकाल लेंगे। दो स्वप्ना नोज दैट कॉटन विल सेल फॉर द एटलीस्ट 1800 रुपीज़ पर क्विंटल। अभी उसने कितने में बेचा था, 1500 में, तो उसको 18 का तो कम से कम आइडिया शी हैड, एंड शी डज नॉट आर्ग्यू फर्दर, कुछ नहीं बोलती है, बिकॉज ऑफ वी नो दैट फार्मर दे हैव द ग्रेट नीड ऑफ देम, तो ज़्यादा बोलेंगे तो उनका कुछ नहीं होगा। सो द ट्रेडर इज़ अ पावरफुल मैन in the village and farmers have to depend on them for loan only for the cultivation but also meet for other exigencies or illness. Exigencies means other expenditures, तो खाली इसी के लिए नहीं और चीज़ों के लिए भी वो उस पर डिपेंड रहते हैं। फिर चिल्ड्रन स्कूल फीस लाइक ऑल illness and other needs. So also there are times in the year when there is no work and no income for the farmers. So borrowing money is the only means of survival. Swapna earns from cotton cultivation is barely more than that she might have earned as a wage labor. तो स्वप्ना का जो कल्टीवेशन से जितना उसको मिलता है तो उससे क्या है, उससे केवल उसकी अपनी मतलब रोज़ी रोटी चलती है, उतना ही वो लेबर से कमाती है बाकी चीज़ें। तो इसमें हमने इसमें बेसिकली क्या डिस्कस करा कि व्हाट इज़ द कंडीशन ऑफ फार्मर, हाउ दे मीट their needs and demand, and how much they earn after the harvesting. So another video will take in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.